DOYO PS4 steering wheel and pedals. 1080 degrees gaming racing wheel with paddle shifters. Race steering wheel simulator for Xbox One, PC, Xbox Series X/S, PS4, PS3, Xbox 360, Switch, Android. Ready to take your racing simulator experience to the next level? The DOYO PS4 steering wheel and pedals delivers 1080 degrees of ultra-precise control, making every turn, drift, and straightaway feel like the real deal. Whether you're tearing up the track in Forza Horizon, mastering Gran Turismo, or drifting through F1 2025, this 9-in-1 racing wheel works seamlessly across Xbox, PlayStation, PC, and even Switch. With dual motors, paddle shifters, and a 6-speed manual shifter, you'll get realistic force feedback and lightning-fast gear changes. Plus, adjustable rotation 270 degrees to 1080 degrees means perfect handling for any racing style, GT, rally, or arcade. The built-in LED lights and speaker amp up the immersion, while heavy-duty clamps keep you locked in for the win. Love sim racing but hate shaky setups? DOYO's ergonomic design fits any rig, or even your lap. Stellar customer service backs your purchase, so you can race with confidence. Ready to dominate the leaderboards? Buckle up. This wheel is your ticket to victory. Unboxing and first impressions, packaging and included accessories. The DOYO PS4 steering wheel arrives in a well-protected box with foam padding to prevent damage. Inside, you'll find steering wheel with built-in motors and buttons, pedal set, 2 pedals, gas and brake, 6-speed manual shifter, H pattern, USB cable for PC/console connection, mounting clamps for table/desk attachment, user manual, multi-language support, build quality and materials. The wheel itself has a rubberized grip with stitched leather-like texture, providing a comfortable hold. The pedals are plastic but have a metal base for stability. The shifter feels sturdy, though not as premium as high-end models. Design and ergonomics. Xbox/PS button layout for easy navigation. Paddle shifters, metal construction. LED indicator lights, customizable colors. Built-in speaker for engine sound effects. Pedal set and shifter analysis. Pedals, non-adjustable resistance but decent for the price. Shifter, H pattern with push-down reverse. Works well but lacks the precision of higher-end shifters. Clamping mechanism and stability. The heavy-duty clamps secure the wheel tightly to desks, but it can wobble during intense racing. A wheel stand or rig is recommended for serious players. Compatibility and setup. Supported platforms, PlayStation 4, PS5 via compatibility mode, Xbox One/Xbox Series X divided by SPC, Windows 10 11s, Zinput direct input, Nintendo Switch, wired mode only, Android, limited game support. Installation and driver requirements, plug and play on consoles, no drivers needed. PC, requires manual calibration and racing sims. Performance and features, 1080 degrees rotation and adjustable sensitivity. The 270 degrees to 1080 degrees adjustable rotation is great for different racing styles. 270 degrees for arcade racing, Need for Speed. 900 degrees for GT/Formula racing. 1080 degrees for rally/drifting. Dirt Rally, Assetto Corsa. Force feedback and vibration motors. The dual vibration motors simulate road feedback, but lack true force feedback. No belt/gear-driven resistance. Paddle shifters and 6-speed manual shifter. Paddle shifters are responsive. H-pattern shifter works but feels slightly loose. LED lighting and audio effects. The RGB lighting adds immersion, and the built-in speaker enhances engine sounds, though it's not as refined as a dedicated sound system. Gaming experience. Performance and racing sims. Gran Turismo 7, PS4, PS5. Good responsiveness, but lacks advanced FFB. Forza Horizon 5, Xbox/PC. Fun for casual play, not ideal for hardcore sims. F1 2023. Works well with 270 degrees to 360 degrees rotation settings. Drifting and rally handling. The 1080 degrees rotation helps with drifting, but the pedals could use more resistance. Arcade versus simulation mode. Arcade games. NFS, The Crew 2. Excellent. Simulators. iRacing, Assetto Corsa. Limited by lack of true FFB. Pros and cons. Pros. Wide compatibility, 9 platforms. Adjustable 270 degrees to 1080 degrees rotation. Includes 6-speed shifter. Affordable price for features offered. Cons. No true force feedback. Only vibration. Pedals feel cheap. No clutch included. Shifter lacks premium feel. Long-term durability and customer support. Durability holds up well with moderate use, but pedals may wear out over time. Customer service. DOYO offers refunds and replacements if issues arise. Final verdict. Who should buy it? Best for casual racers who want a multi-platform wheel. Beginners looking for an affordable entry into sim racing. Gamers who value paddle shifters and a manual shifter. Not ideal for hardcore sim racers, no true FFB. Those wanting premium pedals/clutch support. Alternatives. Logitech G29, better FFB but more expensive. Thrustmaster T150, better hybrid FFB. PX NV9, cheaper but less features. Conclusion. The DOYO PS4 steering wheel and pedals is a solid budget racing wheel with great compatibility and adjustable rotation, making it ideal for casual and beginner sim racers. While it lacks true force feedback and premium pedals, its included 6-speed shifter and wide platform support make it a worthwhile purchase under $200. Final rating, 7.5/10. Would you buy it? Let us know in the comments.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the product review channel for more videos.